Thank you for joining in, and today's video is going to be a swatching video here. I have, let's see, the 24 color swatch chart here from Schmincke, and this one is from the Horror Dom set. So again, I'm just going to be swatching out here some of the shades that came on this dot chart, and there's a good variety. I did recently purchase a Schmincke set that I'm going to be reviewing here on my channel, but I just wanted to split this up because I didn't want the video to be super long, so I'm breaking it up into two different sections here. In the beginning here, I'm just making one pass through the colors, and then I'm going to go back over and do another one because some of them came out a little too light, and I was really trying to get as much as I could to come out of those little dots. Some of them there was definitely a little bit more paint than others. And then I'll show a close-up at the end. These dot charts can come in handy because you can test out your colors before you actually buy them. So if you didn't want to pay full price for some of the tubes or pans, then you can test out your little colors here, because a lot of times I think many of us know that watercolors look very, very different when they're wet and dry, and so it just depends. So these, like I said, these little dot charts come in handy. Also, there was no names listed on the specific chart that I received, but you can see the numbers right below the colors that you can look up on their website and then find the corresponding name to the number. And right after this clip here, I'm going to stick in the swatches. So now right here, this is the second layer. So you can see them good and solid there. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.